multiplication and division of phasors. Here we will be using polar format. For addition and subtraction of phasors we have used the rectangular form. So we find addition subtraction is easy in rectangular form. Similarly, division multiplication is in polar form. So if two phasors are to be multiplied, or if one phasor is divided by another, we could represent it in polar form. Let us take two polar quantities V1 and V2, two phasors represented by R1 angle phi1 and R2 angle phi2. Now start the multiplication. Now here two parts are there, that is R1 and R2, that is magnitude part, Vm part. The angular part, that is phi1 and phi2. While multiplication, these two brackets will be multiplied in this fashion, that is R1 R2 are multiplied. What about angles? Angles will be added. Phi1 will be added with phi2. So we use the polar format for multiplication. Similarly, for the division, just divide the same signals, V1 divided by V2. So R1 angle phi1, first bracket will be divided by second bracket R2 angle phi2. So divide R1 by R2. What about angles? So collect the angles, phi1 minus of phi2. Okay. V1 is divided by V2. So which angle will be subtracted? Second angle will be subtracted from first. Now we'll see a numerical. Express the instantaneous current given by I is equals to 20 sin omega t minus 5 by 3 in polar and rectangular form. So we need to find out two values, that is for I we need I in polar form and I in rectangular form. So first we will write the given thing. Given format is polar form. I could be written as R angle phi. So compare the given I value with the standard definition. So I could be written in standard form as I is equals to Im sin omega t plus phi. Now here angle is minus pi by 3, so plus will be converted to minus. What is Im? Im is 20. So R will be 24. So answer is very simple. 20 angle minus pi by 3 in radian. Pi converted to decimal, that is 180 divided by 3 minus 60. So write down the unit of current, that is amperes. Now we'll convert the current into rectangular form. What is given is rectangular format, I is x plus jy. Find out the value for x and y. We have polar values. So convert from polar to rectangular. X will be written in polar form as r cos phi, 20 cos of minus 60. Get the value from the calculator, it is 10. Similarly, y could be written as r sin phi, 20 sin of minus pi by 3, that is minus 17.02. So write down equation in polar form, that is I is equals to x minus j. Answer is 10 minus j 17.3. Here j is missing.